Hey, if your Whirlpool refrigerator suddenly stopped cooling or isn't cold enough, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through simple fixes you can try before calling a technician in 2026. Before opening anything, check if the fridge is actually getting power. Look for interior lights or display panels turning on. Open the control panel and confirm the temperature hasn't changed accidentally. Set the fridge to around 37 degrees Fahrenheit and the freezer to 0 degrees. Dusty condenser coils are one of the most common reasons a refrigerator stops cooling. Unplug the fridge, locate the coils at the back or bottom, and clean them using a brush or vacuum. Make sure food containers aren't blocking the air vents. Cold air needs to circulate freely between the freezer and refrigerator sections. Check the rubber door gasket for gaps, dirt, or damage. If warm air leaks inside, cooling performance drops quickly. Now try a simple reset. Unplug the refrigerator for about 5 minutes, then plug it back in to restart the cooling system. After restarting, listen for a gentle humming sound. That means the compressor and fans are working. If you hear clicking but no cooling, the start relay or compressor may need service. If you see heavy ice build up in the freezer, airflow may be blocked. Defrost the fridge by turning it off for several hours with doors open. If none of these fixes work, the issue could be low refrigerant, a faulty compressor, or a damaged sensor, and that usually requires professional repair. And yeah, those are the fastest ways to fix a Whirlpool refrigerator that's not cooling in 2026. Try these steps first, and you might save time and repair costs.